Alex discovers an abandoned Lamborghini covered in thick rust. Despite the extensive damage, he looks on with pure determination. With great effort, Alex guides the corroded supercar into his workshop, transitioning it from the elements to a sanctuary. The restoration begins as Alex meticulously disassembles the body, using power tools to peel back years of heavy neglect. Large sections are detached, revealing a rusted chassis underneath. Rusty parts pile up as the vehicle is slowly stripped. Now extensively disassembled, the engine bay and chassis show pervasive corrosion. The scale of the challenge is fully visible. Sparks fly as Alex uses an angle grinder to strip away the thick rust, finally revealing the bare metal underneath. Using a sandblaster, Alex expertly removes remaining corrosion from tight crevices, systematically uncovering the clean, matte metal surface below. The transformation is clear as the car gleams in bare metal. Alex wipes away dust, preparing for the next phase. Alex applies a specialized rust converter to the remaining patches, ensuring every inch of the hood is clean and smooth. The arduous rust removal is complete. Alex stands back, inspecting the stripped frame, which now reflects a uniform metallic sheen. With the body bare, Alex begins cleaning the surfaces to achieve a perfectly smooth and professional finish for the car. Precision is key as Alex welds reinforcement plates to the chassis, ensuring structural integrity for the car's foundation. Using a hammer and dolly, Alex carefully reshapes a dented panel, restoring its original contour with delicate, expert movements. The repaired panels now look flawless. Alex sands down a small weld to ensure a seamless transition across the metal. Alex applies a degreaser to the entire frame, removing residue to ensure the upcoming primer will adhere perfectly to metal. After mixing the compound, Alex applies body filler to tiny imperfections, expertly leveling the surface for a truly flawless finish. A larger layer of filler is applied to the quarter panel, creating a level foundation that contrasts with the metal. Alex meticulously wet sands the dried filler. Water carries away the residue, leaving a perfectly smooth patch flush with metal. Multiple gray patches indicate extensive preparation. Every imperfection has been addressed, creating an impeccably smooth canvas for the next stage. Using a tack cloth, Alex performs a final cleaning, removing every particle of dust before the first uniform coating begins. Alex carefully mixes the gray primer, ensuring the consistency is perfect for the color transformation that is about to begin. Wearing a respirator, Alex applies the first even coat of primer, instantly giving the side panel a uniform matte appearance. The car is now mostly gray as Alex applies additional coats, building a solid foundation for the future layers paint. Alex runs a gloved hand over the smooth primer, searching for any minor inconsistencies that might need a final touch. This critical wet sanding step refines the primer layer, eliminating texture to ensure a smooth foundation for the base coat. Enveloped in flawless matte gray, the car's silhouette is now sharp and clean, indicating it is ready for final color. A final thin layer of sealer locks in the smoothness, providing the ideal surface for the black base coat's adhesion. One last wipe with a tack cloth ensures the pristine gray surface is completely free of contaminants before the painting. Alex tests the black paint on a card to ensure perfect flow, while the gray car waits in the background. The painting process begins as Alex applies a light mist of black, watching the gray surface slowly start to darken. A full, even coat of black base paint transforms the car, creating a rich, matte finish across every single panel. A close view reveals the deep texture of the matte black paint, showcasing the results of Alex's careful surface preparation. Satisfied with the flawless coverage, Alex stands back to observe the sharp silhouette, now fully prepared for the clear coat. Alex mixes the clear coat solution with focus, knowing this final glossy layer will define the car's ultimate aesthetic appeal. As the clear coat hits the matte black surface, a brilliant wet gloss emerges, instantly transforming the car's entire look. Systematic layers of clear coat create a mirror-like quality, bringing the Lamborghini back to its original and luxurious glory.
The freshly applied clear coat on the hood reflects the lights with incredible depth, awaiting final drying and a polish. Now fully clear-coated, the car radiates luxury. Intense reflections dance off the smooth, unblemished black surface under the lights. Alex uses fine sandpaper to remove any texture, preparing the dull surface for the final high-shine polish that follows. The rotary polisher brings out a stunning gloss, revealing a mirror finish that reflects the workshop with absolute clarity.
Alex applies high-quality wax by hand, enhancing the depth of the finish until it reflects his image with precision. Gleaming chrome trim is reinstalled, providing a sharp contrast against the black paint and emphasizing the car's restored luxury. Installing a brand new headlight assembly completes the front profile, making the car look modern and exquisitely detailed once again. New black alloy wheels and fresh tires provide the finishing touch, perfectly complementing the car's stunning, reborn glossy black appearance. Inside, Alex cleans the new leather and carbon fiber, ensuring every interior detail matches the high standards of the exterior. The Lamborghini stands majestically, a vision of gleaming black. Every line is flawless, marking the triumph of this incredible restoration. Showcased in its full glory, the car is a seamless expanse of polished black, accentuating its aggressive and luxurious design. Alex runs a hand over the fender with pride. His dedicated craftsmanship has successfully transformed a rusted wreck into perfection. From above, the sleek lines of the Revuelto are stunning, reflecting the overhead lights in sharp streaks of pure luxury.